This Montgomery Metro Realty property video is presented by Tim McKinney. Here is your chance to own a truly special home. Skyview, built in 1912, is one of the original homes in Cloverdale. The majestic 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home covers 3 lots and has been meticulously restored and updated. Beautifully landscaped grounds greet you as you walk up to the expansive wraparound porch. The living room and dining room feature coffered ceilings and craftsmanship not found in today's homes. The completely updated kitchen boasts a Kitchenaid refrigerator, Maytag gas range with convection oven, Thermador professional range hood with warming lights and a Bosch dishwasher. A half bath is conveniently located off the kitchen as well as a service porch, which offers plenty of storage. A large pantry includes an expansive storage area. A beautiful sunroom off the kitchen is the perfect place to enjoy a book. 2 bedrooms are downstairs, including the main bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom complete with a clawfoot tub and walk-in shower. Upstairs are 2 large bedrooms and a newly renovated full bathroom. A covered patio on the side of the house offers a view of a lovely koi pond complete with waterfall. An additional uncovered patio on the back of the house leads to a manicured lawn with a pergola that offers the perfect spot for entertaining or hosting special events. A 3-car garage boasts extensive storage space and a half bath. Above the garage is a large guest apartment with a bedroom, den, full kitchen, full bathroom and laundry area. Just a few of the other amenities include a custom-made remote-controlled driveway gate with copper privacy panels, irrigation system, home security and camera system, 3 Trane HVAC systems. This home must be seen to be appreciated. Purchaser to verify school zones and square footage. For more information, review the